Today I want to talk about something really important when it comes to chiropractic, understanding the difference between short-term care and long-term care. A lot of people come to a chiropractor for the first time because of pain. Maybe it's back pain, neck pain, headaches, or even sciatica. In that situation, the goal is usually short-term relief. We adjust, we reduce the pressure on the nervous system. Most people feel better fairly quickly. That's the short-term benefit, getting out of pain. But here's the key. Chiropractic isn't only about pain relief. Pain is often the last thing to show up when the body isn't functioning properly, and the first thing to go away when things start improving. So if you stop care at the moment you feel better, you're missing out on the deeper benefits. That's where long-term chiropractic care comes in. Long-term care is about correcting posture, restoring spinal alignment, and keeping the nervous system functioning at its best. It's about prevention, not just treatment. Think of it like dental care. You don't go to the dentist just when you have a toothache. You go regularly to maintain a healthy teeth and prevent problems down the road. The same is true with your spine. When you stay consistent with care, you protect your spinal health, improve mobility, keep your immune system strong, and support better energy, focus, and overall wellness. Long-term chiropractic is about optimizing your life, not just fixing your pain. I've seen it countless times in my clinics, patients who come in barely able to walk because of pain. After a few visits, they feel great. But the ones who choose to stay under care long term, they're the ones who report lasting improvements, fewer flare-ups, better posture, more energy, and even improvement in things like sleep and mood. So what's the bottom line? Short-term chiropractic care is powerful for quick relief, but long-term chiropractic care is where true health and transformation happens. Your spine is the foundation of your body, and just like anything valuable, it deserves consistent care and attention. If you're watching this and you've only experienced chiropractic for short-term pain relief, I encourage you to think bigger. Imagine not just living without pain, but living with vitality, energy, and optimal function every single day. That's what long-term chiropractic is all about. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more wellness insights. And if you're in the Philippines, come visit at one of our Doc Rob Chiropractic Wellness Clinics. We'd love to help you experience the difference between short-term and long-term chiropractic care. Stay healthy and stay strong. I'll see you in the next video.